Well, it turned out pretty good. I got it cleaned up pretty good. It's kind of dark video. Yeah, I just got done washing it. The rims cleaned up nice. A lot better than I thought they would. The other thing that surprised me was the fork covers. I have to fix them so they'll be up here, you know, up there. But they cleaned up, and they're still flexible. Got a lot of good feel to them, so I'm going to leave those. The front tire is not highway, so I've got to get rid of it. I've got to get another front tire. The front brakes were great, were good, like new. The bearings were fine, the seals were fine. I tightened the spokes on the back. Had brand new grooved dirt brakes. You know, they're grooved so dirt removes out of the hub. The back tire has great tread, and it's street legal. This is DOT, so I don't have to change them. The gearing, my sprocket that I had, something was wrong. It didn't even fit, so it was marked wrong. It don't even fit my bike. I found a good chain that'll work, and so now all I gotta do is, I think today or tomorrow, I'll throw the motor in. I gotta clean the tank, the petcock, and carburetor. I still gotta sand these down. I don't know if you can see them good or not. They're rusted. I don't even know if that would slide. If I tried to slide them forks out, if they didn't let me slide out, so I've got to take a drill or something with a buffer wheel on it and see if I can't polish that out. At least smooth it so it's not rough. But other than that, it's coming along good. This thing's really in better shape than I thought it was. The steering was perfect. There's no play in the steering. There's no tightness in the steering. It's like everything's good. The bars aren't bent. I've got most of the rubbers. Anything is rubberized that went bad. I got new rubbers for the tank. I got the front rubbers that go up there. I got all the rubbers for the side covers. I got the side covers, but I still need I need a battery, a horn, a coil, and I'm sure something else. I just can't think of what it might be right now. And I should have this thing running. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.